Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the essential furniture trends that can help boost your home decor business. If you're passionate about transforming spaces and maximizing sales, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this content helpful. Be sure to stay with us until the end, where we'll share some exclusive tips that you won't want to miss. Home decor trends. The home decor industry is ever evolving, with new trends emerging each year that reflect changing consumer preferences and lifestyles. Staying updated on these trends is crucial for businesses aiming to boost their sales and enhance customer satisfaction. By understanding what is currently popular in furniture design, businesses can tailor their offerings to meet market demands and stand out in a competitive landscape. Sustainability and eco-friendly materials. One of the most significant trends in the furniture industry is the growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Consumers are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, leading them to seek furniture made from reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled materials. By incorporating sustainable practices into their business models, companies not only attract eco-conscious consumers, but also position themselves as responsible brands. Minimalism and functional design. Minimalism continues to influence home decor with a focus on clean lines, simplicity, and functionality. Furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as storage ottomans or expandable dining tables, is becoming popular as consumers look to maximize their space. Businesses that offer versatile and stylish minimalist designs can cater to urban dwellers and families alike, ultimately driving sales. Bold colors and patterns. While minimalism is on the rise, there's also a counter-trend that embraces bold colors and patterns. Homeowners are increasingly willing to experiment with vibrant hues and eye-catching designs to express their individuality. Furniture retailers can capitalize on this trend by curating collections that feature colorful upholstery or distinctive print designs, appealing to consumers looking to make a statement. Vintage and retro revival. The nostalgia for vintage and retro styles is making a comeback in home decor. Furniture pieces that evoke a sense of history and character are sought after by consumers looking to create unique spaces. By sourcing vintage-inspired designs or authentic antique pieces, businesses can tap into this trend and attract customers who appreciate the charm of bygone eras. Smart furniture and technology integration. As technology continues to integrate into everyday life, smart furniture is gaining traction. This includes items like coffee tables with built-in charging stations or sofas that can adjust their firmness. By offering tech-savvy furniture solutions, businesses can appeal to a younger demographic that values convenience and innovation, thus enhancing sales potential. Customization and personalization. Consumers increasingly desire furniture that reflects their personal style. Customization options, such as choosing fabrics, colors, and finishes, allow buyers to create pieces that fit their unique tastes. Businesses that offer personalized services can foster a deeper connection with their customers, leading to increased loyalty and repeat sales. Outdoor living spaces. The trend of creating outdoor living spaces has surged, particularly in urban areas where people seek to maximize their home's usability. Furniture designed for patios, balconies, and gardens has become essential. By expanding product lines to include stylish outdoor furniture, businesses can attract consumers looking to enhance their outdoor experiences. Multifunctional furniture for small spaces. With the rise of urban living, multifaceted furniture that caters to small spaces is more important than ever. Pieces like sofa beds, foldable tables, and modular shelving units provide practical solutions for limited living areas. Businesses that focus on this segment can effectively reach a growing market of city dwellers seeking functional yet stylish options. Health and wellness focus. The emphasis on health and wellness is influencing furniture trends, with ergonomic designs becoming increasingly popular. Consumers are looking for furniture that supports their well-being, such as chairs that promote good posture or beds designed for better sleep. By highlighting the health benefits of their products, businesses can attract health-conscious buyers and differentiate themselves in the market. Artisan and handmade products. In an age of mass production, there is a rising appreciation for artisan and handmade furniture. Consumers are drawn to the uniqueness and craftsmanship of these pieces, often viewing them as investments. Businesses that collaborate with local artisans or promote handmade collections can capture this market segment, appealing to customers who value quality and authenticity. Global influences and cultural aesthetics. As globalization continues to shape consumer tastes, furniture designs influenced by various cultures are gaining popularity. From Scandinavian minimalism to Moroccan patterns, these diverse aesthetics offer a rich tapestry for home decor. Businesses that embrace global influences in their product lines can attract a more diverse clientele, enhancing their market reach. Social media and online presence. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is vital for any home decor business. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest serve as powerful marketing tools for showcasing furniture trends and engaging with consumers. By utilizing these platforms effectively, businesses can build brand awareness, drive traffic to their online stores, and ultimately boost sales. Customer engagement and community building. Building a community around a brand can significantly enhance customer loyalty. Hosting workshops, offering interior design consultations, or creating online forums where customers can share their home decor experiences fosters a sense of belonging. Businesses that prioritize customer engagement can create lasting relationships, leading to repeat purchases and referrals. In conclusion, the home decor furniture landscape is dynamic, with trends constantly shifting due to societal changes, technological advancements, and consumer preferences. For businesses to thrive, they must remain adaptable, continuously monitoring trends and adjusting their offerings accordingly. By embracing innovation and prioritizing customer needs, companies can not only boost their sales but also establish themselves as leaders in the home decor industry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up to show your support, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.